Question 1. Which road sign is this? A. Added right lane. B. Added left lane. C. Traffic merges from the left. The answer is B. Added left lane. Question 2. Guess this road sign. A. Side road at an acute angle, right. B. Offset side roads. C. Side road at an obtuse angle. The answer is C. Side road at an obtuse angle. Question 3. What is this road sign? A. Chevron marker. B. Chevron, left. C. Chevron, right. The answer is B. Chevron, left. Question 4. Identify this traffic sign. A. Right shoulder drop off ahead. B. Soft verges. C. Vehicles may be parked partially on the verge. The answer is A. Right shoulder drop off ahead. Question 5. Which traffic sign is this? A. Route for use by pedal cycles only. B. Bicycles merging. C. Bicycle crossing ahead. The answer is B. Bicycles merging. What does this signal from a police officer mean to oncoming traffic? A. Turn right. B. Stop. C. Go ahead. The answer is B. Stop. Question 6. Guess this road sign. A. Side road at an acute angle. B. Side road at an obtuse angle. C. Y intersection. The answer is A. Side road at an acute angle. Question 7. What is this road sign? A. T intersection. B. Side road, left. C. Offset side roads, left and right. The answer is B. Side road, left. If this road signs tutorial is making things easier for you, give it a thumbs up to let us know you like more practice videos like this. Question 8. Identify this road sign. A. Stop. B. Yield sign ahead. C. Stop sign ahead. The answer is C. Stop sign ahead. Question 9. Which road sign is this? A. Divided highway ends. B. Divided highway begins. C. Interior lane shift right. The answer is A. Divided highway ends. Question 10. Guess this road sign. A. Lane ends merge left. B. Lane ends merge right. C. Traffic merges from right. The answer is C. Traffic merges from right. Which button ignites or starts a car? Question 11. What is this road sign? A. Narrow two-way traffic. B. Narrow structure. C. Road narrows both sides. The answer is A. Narrow two-way traffic. Question 12. Identify this road sign. A. Two-way traffic on a one-carriageway. B. Two-way traffic. C. Interior lane shift right. The answer is B. Two-way traffic. Question 13. Which traffic sign is this? A. Railroad crossing ahead. B. Crossbuck with lightning rod. C. Crossbuck. The answer is A. Railroad crossing ahead. Are you feeling more confident already before test day? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to help you succeed on your first try. Question 14. Guess this road sign? A. Lane ends merge, right. B. Traffic merges from right. C. Lane ends merge, left. The answer is C. Lane ends merge, left. Question 15. What is this road sign? A. Narrow underpass. B. Road narrows on both sides. C. Single lane transition. The answer is C. Single lane transition. Identify the interstate route marker 3 digits. Question 16. Identify this road sign. A. Steep ascent. B. Steep grade/hill percentage. C. Steep descent. The answer is B. Steep grade/hill percentage. Question 17. Which traffic sign is this? A. Double side roads, right. B. Offset side roads. C. Side road, left. The answer is A. Double side roads, right. Want weekly driving tips and road sign quizzes to help you pass your driving test? Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Question 18. Guess this road sign. A. Riding of pedal cycles prohibited. B. Solo motorcycles prohibited. C. Bicycle lane ends. The answer is C. Bicycle lane ends. Question 19. What is this road sign? A. Slippery when wet ahead. B. Winding road. C. Slipperiness due to snow. The answer is A. Slippery when wet ahead. Question 20. Identify this road sign. A. Side road at an obtuse angle. B. Y intersection. C. Side road at an acute angle, right. The answer is B. Y intersection. Identify this car manufacturer's logo. This is the official Subaru logo. Question 21. Which road sign is this? A. Roundabout circulation, plaque. B. Mini roundabout. C. Roundabout. The answer is C. Roundabout. Question 22. Guess this road sign. A. County route marker. B. Interstate route marker, 3 digits. C. U.S. route marker, 3 digits. The answer is B. Interstate route marker, 3 digits. Question 23. What is this road sign? A. Solo motorcycles prohibited. B. Motor vehicles except solo motorcycles prohibited. C. Motorcycle, plaque. The answer is C. Motorcycle, plaque. Question 24. Identify this road sign. A. Traffic light ahead. B. Standard traffic light. C. Wig-wag signal. The answer is A. Traffic light ahead. Question 25. Which traffic sign is this? A. Added right lane. B. Added left lane. C. Traffic merges from the left. The answer is A. Added right lane. What part of the car is this? You are looking at the bonnet. Question 26. Guess this road sign. A. Two-way traffic. B. Two-way traffic, 3-lane, 2 opposite. C. Two-way traffic, 3-lane, 1 opposite. The answer is C. Two-way traffic, 3-lane, 1 opposite. Question 27. What is this road sign? A. Single lane transition. B. Interior lane shift right. C. Keep right. The answer is B. Interior lane shift right. Do you know a friend or family member getting ready for their test? Share this video and help them get a head start on road signs. Question 28. Identify this road sign. A. Two-way traffic. B. Two-way traffic, 3-lane, 2 opposite. C. Two-way traffic, 3-lane, 1 opposite. The answer is B. Two-way traffic, 3-lane, 2 opposite. Question 29. Which road sign is this? A. Divided highway ends. B. Two-way traffic. C. Divided highway begins. The answer is C. Divided highway begins. Question 30. Guess this road sign. A. Slippery when wet ahead. B. Bicycle slippery when wet. C. Winding road. The answer is B. Bicycle slippery when wet. What does ABS stand for in driving safety? A. Anti-braking system. B. Anti-lock braking system. C. Automatic brake sensor. The answer is B. Anti-lock braking system. Question 31. What is this road sign? A. T intersection. B. Side road, left. C. Crossroads. The answer is A. T intersection. Question 32. Identify this traffic sign. A. Lane ends merge, left. B. Added right lane. C. Lane ends merge, right. The answer is C. Lane ends merge, right. Question 33. Which traffic sign is this? A. Gasoline. B. Electric vehicle charging. C. Alternative fuel. The answer is B. Electric vehicle charging. Question 34. Guess this road sign. A. Double side roads. B. Offset side roads, left-right. C. Staggered junction. The answer is B. Offset side roads, left-right. Question 35. What is this road sign? A. Maximum speed, 50 kilometers per hour. B. School speed limit ahead. C. Speed limit ahead. The answer is C. Speed limit ahead. Which lights warn drivers about the engine oil pressure? Question 36. Identify this road sign. A. Advisory speed tab. B. Ramp speed advisory. C. Temporary speed 50 miles per hour. The answer is B. Ramp speed advisory. Question 37. Which traffic sign is this? A. Bicycle crossing. B. Cyclist crossing. C. Hill bike. The answer is C. Hill bike. Question 38. Guess this road sign. A. Added left lane, entering. B. Added right lane. C. Lane ends merge, left. The answer is A. Added left lane, entering. Question 39. What is this road sign? A. Stop sign ahead. B. Yield sign ahead. C. Yield. The answer is B. Yield sign ahead. Question 40. Identify this road sign. A. Narrow underpass. B. Road narrows. C. Narrow structure ahead. The answer is A. Narrow underpass. Well done making it through the quiz. The more you practice, the more confident you become. For more road sign guides, quizzes, and driving tips, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Click one of the videos on your screen to keep learning and test yourself further. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next one.